Hi, in this lesson we're going to learn about the sus4 and the sus2. So basically the sus2, which means I added the second notes, and the sus4 added the fourth notes. So example of 4 bars of just a normal C chord. You're going to play like 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So with the suspension you can play like 1, 2. And of course when you expand it you can have like ghost note. And of course, when you have 4 bars of C, A minor, F, G, C, a 1, 6, 4, 5 chord, you can add them as well. So you can just add the second or the fourth. So sometimes people will say when you have a second, you need to resolve it. But if you like the sounds, you can just hold the second. Yeah, no need to resolve. So the sus4 actually means the suspension and you're gonna resolve it. But if you like the sounds to be holding there, it's not a must for you to resolve it if you like the sounds to be holding the sounds like that, okay? So you can just take it as C9 instead of a C sus4 or sus2. So you can choose to resolve or not resolve it. Hope you enjoy. If you like our teaching and you have learned something, please help us to click the like button in just 1 second. If you want to learn more, leave a message, tell us what you would like to learn. Remember to subscribe our channel and you won't miss the future lesson. See you in the next lesson.